Hi, welcome back to Delineation, home to some spectacular Lightroom tones and presets. Today we'll demonstrate you how to edit anime tone. So let's get started. Here are some stock photo previews. If you want to follow along with us, you can click the links down below in the description for downloading them. Before starting, here are some important points. Welcome to Lightroom. Let's begin editing. First, come to Tint slider and move it to +7. Now, come to Exposure and bring it down to -0.25. Then, go to Contrast and decrease it to -11. Now, move to Highlights all over to -100. Increase the shadows to +21. Now, come to Whites and decrease it all over to -100. Now, come to Blacks and boost it to +86. Come to Vibrance, and pop it up to 62. Now, come to Clarity and decrease it to -21. Come to Vibrance, and pop it up to 62. Now, move to Saturation and saturate the image to +25. Let's jump to curves and try to replicate the points the way we have done it. Come to Reds and decrease the hue to -58. Luminance to -33. Now, come to Orange and decrease the hue to -6. Decrease the orange saturation to -31. Increase the orange luminance to plus 57. Now come to yellows, and decrease the hue to minus 27. Desaturate the yellows to minus 13. Increase the yellow luminance to plus 36. Come to green, and increase the hue to plus 6. Desaturate greens to minus 45. Increase the green luminance to plus 39. Now come to aqua and decrease the saturation to minus 10. Increase the luminance to plus 11. Come to blues, and decrease the hue to minus 13. Decrease the blue saturation to minus 15. Increase the luminance to plus 13. Now switch to Split Toning tab. Now, come to Highlights of Split Tone and move the Hue slider to 317. Saturation of highlights to 8. Now let's copy these settings to other photos. We haven't ticked exposure and contrast settings while copying, as every image has its own brightness and contrast values. So, it is in your hand to play with them according to the image. Thanks for watching this video. You are free to subscribe and support this channel. Also don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like it and hit the bell icon to get notified about new tones.